welcome back. You join me in this week's episode at Derwent Reservoir. This reservoir is located between Durham and Northumberland. But you just look at that. Today's a beautiful day for it. We'll maybe get a bit of drone footage for you. And we're going to go for a bit of a walk. It's just absolutely beautiful. There's loads of wildlife around here for you to go and have a look at. I was just talking to a gentleman there and he says that the adders are on the move as well, so we might even get a snake in this video. Listen, if you're new, hit that subscribe button, making sure you hit a like for more adventures, out and about, exploring what the UK has to offer. So we're going to walk to the dam now and have a little walk along there. It's mad to think this was man-made, how big it is. But lovely day for it. Absolutely beautiful. Ooh. I think this morning it was about 1 degree. But it's starting to warm up there now just nicely. Little anglers out. There's a guy here with a bivvy. Don't know if they've caught anything, but he's just chilling there. The guy's got his dog, look there. I'm still getting used to this drone malarkey, like. It's not as easy as what it looks, I tell you. I haven't tried to venture too far with it, like, you know, and obviously when there's people fishing and that, I'm not going to use it. So, aye. It's great, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Along this walk, as you can see, there's various information boards showing you what sort of animals and insects and things like that that you can see on your walks around here. There's a couple of these, there's a couple of do's and don'ts on there. Tells you where all the public amenities are. It's a great place. I've been coming here as a child.
Tell you what I'm going to do. I've got some disinfectant wipes in the car.
You're going to clean that?
I'm going to clean that one.
Aye, that'll be good. So yeah, I've been coming here as a child. I used to come trout fishing here. So if you're into fishing, this is quite good. You can get a permit from the main cabin or the cafe that's at the front. The visitor centre. You can do fly fishing on here, or you can do fixed reel and rod. But you've got to pay for it, aye. So if you want a paddle board on the Derwent Reservoir, you've got to get in touch with the yachting club that is over the other side there. Book a slot. Now, I'm not too sure, you'll have to check up on this by going on Northumbria Water's website, because that's who runs this place. But I believe that with paddleboarding, it's not per paddleboard, it's actually per person. But I'm not too sure about that. I'll have to double check, because I looked into it, didn't I? You know, so there's options. Oh, did you? I didn't. We haven't seen any snakes yet.
When does a man ever listen to your voice?
When she says she's not cleaning his clothes.
You know, when you just, like, when you say it and you go, oh, you never mentioned that, I did, but you weren't. One of them situations.
It's just one of them, isn't it? I've got selective hearing, as they say. But it's a beautiful day. It's nice to get out, nice to see. I was talking to a gentleman there, he says that the levels in here was actually pretty low a couple of weeks ago. He said it's nice to see the water returning back. But what's this? So you can see here, I'll turn you round in the camera. You can see that look at ground nesting birds in this area. And we've seen a couple of geese over there. And also it's saying that you can't go beyond this point unless you've got a permit, so that must be for fishing. But what a day. My drone footage, I checked on drone assist, it was fine to fly around here. I went to a spot that was out the way, and as you can see by the footage, I took the drone pretty high, keeping within the legal limits, but away from anybody or any animals that can be disturbed. Guys, that's a big sheep there, isn't it? It is? Whoa, have you seen that? That is a hell of a size, isn't it? It is? Oh, look at the fighting on over there. Look at that oak tree. Aye, you see that? It is, aye, look at it. It's a canny size, that mind, isn't it?
Looks like a cow. Oh,
looks like a cow, a goat. I wouldn't say a cow.
I wouldn't say, no, like the size of the back.
Oh, it's a llama, man. Oh, aye.
No, you wasn't a sheep. There's a bull there as well, too.
That's a llama. We're seeing, that's one hell of a sheep. They've had that on bloody steroids. It's not a llama, see if we can get somewhere near. Got to watch, like, because like that bloke said the adders are out, so. Can you see it? Hopefully I'll be able to zoom in.
There's sheep.
Aye, that's sheep. That's sheep. That's a llama. Oh, an alpaca?
Alpaca. Wasn't it up this way anyway? They try to get rid of them.
I don't know. I don't know. But aye, guys, that's not a sheep. Or a sheep on steroids. Aye, put in the comments. Is that an alpaca or an llama? Or are they both the same thing? I'm not too sure. Helicopter over there.
The alpaca's not the one with the hair what every kid's got at the minute. Well, look.
What? Walking around in tweed or something? But Right, I'm going to shut you off till we walk a little bit further around because I'm just going to end up waffling a load of shite. Right. Look at this. Here is an insect hotel. The Travel Lodge of the North. It's all constructed with all these bits and pieces. So insects can, there, the bug hotel. All right, I'm just going to let you have a look at that. I don't know if you want to scan that QR code. If you want to build one yourself in your garden at sea. Look. How cool is that, eh? Can you see out in it?
Yeah.
Got all the little bits of there. Oh look, there's a couple of flies going in there, but I bet in the height of summer this is buzzing though, isn't it? Look, you can even see that there's little burrows underneath. Look, something. Right, we're going to go onto the dam wall now. Oh look, there's lovely ducks here now. This is what they've got in here. Roach, perch and rainbow trout. That's what's stocked in this reservoir. So as you can see, they've got the water levels down there. River level recorder. Working on solar panel. Here's the dam wall. Hi love, you alright? Right, don't know if you can see in the distance. Little bridge. Look at that. Aye, it's the road. That is beautiful. Just look at that view of the countryside on a lovely day. Moorland over there to your right, to your left, fields, agriculture, and in front of you, a nice bridge with a river. Absolutely beautiful. Looking over this valley. This is what it's all about. Get out, have an adventure, and make memories, guys. Right then, guys, I'm going to take this part of the video to say this is the month I'm doing my Great Tommy Sleep Out. There we go. It's a great charity. It's still not too late to show your support if you'd like to do that. I'll put the QR code on the screen now. If you want to follow this fundraiser, keep an eye on my posts because you'll see when I'm going out what am I doing, and it's quite exciting, to be honest. I want to do it as minimal as I can. I think it's just right to do that. So I'm not going to waffle on too much. It's a great cause. Check out the QR code. Thanks for your support in advance. If you've already supported, it's much appreciated, guys. It's going to a really good cause. Thank you. That's us back to where the car is. This spot behind us that you can see, this is where they say that the adders normally breed. In here, that's why they fenced it off as a bit of a protected area. You know, and then they venture further afield. There's a bog further up that they go up to. So it's very interesting. But we're back at the car now, so I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for coming along and watching. Make sure you like, subscribe for more adventures. And like I say always, get out, have an adventure, and make memories. Yes. Till next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.